that Concorde, go ahead and grab a new one. However, if we're starting engines, we'll use hand signals at that point. First outflow valve over here. I make sure that there's no bird nest, nothing going on, and then I make sure that there's no column. That spring was not connected. They were like, oh, sorry, sir. I'm like, dude, seriously? Stay like this instead of being flush, so it's not going to be able to enter the wheel well doors. So that's why. Alright, I'm going to.
Because when I was your age, we're ready up here, Mo.
01, we're ready for you. You're clear to contact whenever.
That's cool, I'm ready to contact, thanks.
30. 20. 10. 6-1 contact. Say by half mile.
He's coming from here, entering over here, so you know, if he was coming from
Contact.
Raptor.
Oh, fuck. 6-1 disconnect. Yeah, you're just a little low. A little low, 6-1.
Raptor.
And he's back, about 100 feet. Front feet. 6-1 contact. Center and stable. One disconnect.
Raptor.
So you're backing. Moving right echelon.
Hey everyone in Tampa, this is Major Joshua Cabo Gunderson, the commander of the F-22 demo team. I'm originally from Tampa, Florida, and hopefully we'll be seeing you guys next year at the air show McDill. Until then, best of luck in this year, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Buenos días a todos en Tampa, mi nombre es Major Joshua Cabo Gunderson y soy el comandante del equipo de demostración del F-22 Raptor de la Fuerza Aérea. Yo nací en Tampa y espero ver todos ustedes el año que viene para el air show McDill. Les deseo todo lo mejor este año y nos vemos luego. Cuídense.